Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining the class. So today, our last class regarding this course, and I think I try my level best to give you the best as I have get the knowledge in as per my experience. But there are some other main points which I will discuss today. So you should explore these points, and if you have any like knowledge you will get from the your research, you kindly share with me also, because this is the basic the purpose of this course thing is to learn from the experienced guys and to give the knowledge to the experienced guys and the freshers. So you both are also experienced guys, and hopefully when you explore these lightning protection studies, you will get some questions and you will get some knowledge. Kindly share with me also for my betterment. Yes, Mr. Marco.
I am not talking.
Okay.
Okay.
Today I will discuss some point regarding the loss calculations, because in the previous lectures just I have some miss my give the misconceptions, and when I will get back and see that there might be some like of mis communication from my side. So that's why I will communicate again to both of you regarding these points. And there are some other things which is giving in the IC standard, and I will give both of you to explore these new things and share the knowledge with me and with the other ones. So just I'm sharing my screen. Yes, this is the IC standard, and basically when we are calculating the analysis, there are the three things we will calculate. One is the ng value. Basically, ng we will get from the AD value multiply with the formula which I have tell all of you. Then we will calculate the probability, and then we will calculate the loss, and then we multiply these three things, uh, thing probability, loss, and number of events. So this will give us the value of the risk component like RA, RB, RC. Now, from my side, which I have just miscommunicate, like some point, when we are calculating the risk analysis, I just tell both of you about these formulas, like LA is equal to LU, LB, LV, LC, and LM. I will tell about all of these formulas, but actually this will be used for the L1, loss L1, which is due to the lightning strike over the structures. But the other three losses, uh, like this one is for the sorry. This basically L1, the human lives losses. These formula basically used for the L1 loss, and now we have the second loss, which is related to the uh, service to the publics, L2. So for the L2, we have these formula. LB is equal to LV and LC is equal to LM equal to LW and LZ. So these are the formula will be used for the loss L2 calculation. And for the L3, which is cultural heritage, we use this formula, losses formula. Same uh, things are the same like RZ, but somehow something which will be changed, and that's why I just want to inform you, the both of you, about these formulas. And for the economic loss, we will use these formula LA, LU, LBR. These are the formula will be used. Now, when we move on to these formula, like these are the injured animal due to the shocks, physical damages, value are all the goods. So when we are doing this for our PV area, there are the no number of animals available there because it is only for the animals, not animal there in the PV area. It is basically used when we are doing the risk assessment for any dairy farm or any other like this type of or any zoo. We are doing the risk assessment. This will be used, but in our case, it will be not used. So these are the negligible. Like see failure of internal system, and their active. So when we are using the bill relevant, when we are doing this calculation for any like the specific to the these values, we will be use these values. But when we are not using relative to we will just put one. So this is the main thing I want to just clarify to all to both of you. uh, I have shared the standard in the group for your and also the notes in the groups for your informations and for your learning purpose. And if you prepare any other notes himself or herself, you will share with me also. Because this risk assessment is basically like of the uh, type of difficult things which I have given like the course. But I last year my colleague has uh, performing this risk assessment, and we found many people's contacted through many people's, but we don't uh, get any reliable person which is doing the risk assessment. And also, I have shared in the last lecture that our risk assessment is under the review of the South African company, Dehen, and hopefully we get the response from this company. And when I get the response from that company, I will also share with both of you for your knowledge, for your betterment. So we now I want to move on to the some other things which is mentioned in this uh, IC standard. This is basically the case studies. They have mentioned that the case studies. You can see there the country house like this type of. You can see that they have mentioned that the country houses like this type of zone Z1, Z2. They have mentioned that. I have not worked on that, uh, but I just give you the information about that. You will work on that if you need like. in the future you will work on any building like a risk assessment, and hopefully this will give you the reference for the calculations. You will explore himself or herself, because I don't have knowledge about that. That is why just I'm showing you that basically they have just given the Z1, Z2. These are the outside and roof blocks. They have just given us, and same like the RA, RB components we have mentioned. The tolerable limit from the above, they have mentioned that. Now they will, what they are doing that for the NG4 flashes per kilometer, they have doing that. Now data, they have mentioned that the structure length will be this one, the calculation this one, LM, and they have TL. So they have mentioned this calculation, and you will explore these calculation, like they have given this formula AM. They have mentioned this calculation. You can check that values and see what is the response that available in that case study. Like the office buildings, they have also mentioned this one. You can see that they have given the calculation, proper calculation of that one. You can see that and check that which one will be applicable to your uh, different, like they have mentioned the Z zone offices, and like now you can see that they have divided. Basically I have just explained all of both of you that when we are doing for the risk assessment for the any buildings area, we have to divide this building into different zones. uh, which zone will be have how many number of peoples, which zone have how many. So when we are dividing the full buildings into the different zones, and we calculate the number of person available on that zone, so on that basis we will calculate our risk analysis. So now you can see that in office building they have just office building factor valid for the zone Z1. Now you can see from this one they have mentioned Z3, Z4, Z5, and Z2. They have divided that zones. Now you can see that Z1 basically the entrance outside. Z2 is basically the garden inside. Z3 Archie offices, and Z5 the computer center. So yeah, they have just make a case study and divide that one. And also the transmission line buried, and length will be power line aerial. So they have just mentioned that you can search about that and try to find these case studies. And then they have calculated that one by one office building zone. From the zone 1 they have just calculated, like office building zone 1, number of person 4, time of the present, uh, like full year, garden 2%, RC 20%, office is 160%, and computer this, and total and Z is 20%. Now you can see that LT outside the structure, inside the structure, and LFF classify the commercial buildings. Zone you can come from that one. Z1. Now they have just Z2 garden outside, Z3 Archie. They have just calculated all these values, and office Z2 center. Now they have calculated the sample ED, AM, AL, power line AL, all the things. They have just calculated the area of the structure lines, annual number of persons. From that, they have multiplied just the number of persons. Then decision on the need for the protections. Now they calculated the zones Z2, Z3, Z4, Z5. So R1 is the lighting protection is required. You can see that RT is equal to 1. So now they have just LPS, they confirming to reduce the component, and they have just mentioned that one. And now RV is less than this one. So the level four, I think level four protection is will be uh, applicable to this standards. So now they have the hospital for that. They have just prepared the different case studies of that. Once you will explore these studies, and because this study is very type of uh, himself study is very important in that study, and also there are two software will be used for this study, but at that time we don't use these software. One is the CDEX software and the other one is the LGS softwares. These are used for this risk assessment studies. But when I will explore these softwares, I will make some videos and will share with both of you, because you have purchased my course, and it is my responsibility that when I learn new thing, I will share with both of you for your future. Uh, like they have the case study for the hospitals, they have just prepare and hostel hospital life. Then they have make in for the apartment houses. Like you can see that apartment houses they same like that and calculated are the risk for it. So this is the main things I want to show all of you, that the for the building they have different calculation. For the PV area we have different calculations. Because I have mentioned in the course that it is for just a PV area, because I don't have proper knowledge about that, and I don't want that. I will share the some expertise. I want to show you that I can calculate these risk assessment, but at that time I don't have any experience and knowledge about this apartment or hospitals in this risk assessment calculation. But the purpose is to show to both of you that you will explore some new things, and I am also exploring about the risk assessment for the apartment or the large area. When I will found any new things regarding this risk assessment, I will mm, probably definitely share with you both of you. But the purpose is that to clarify to you. At that time, I don't have knowledge about that. Just because these are the formula. When I will explore, I will definitely find the way how we will calculate for the apartment. But due to the some say that due to the overburden in the office works, I can't explore at that time. But in future, I'm exploring new things and will sharing with both of you. So these are the things, and hopefully this class is too much short. And if you have any question and any thing, you can ask me. Yes, Mr. Marco.
Okay, first, I would like to appreciate you. You have been giving us a lot of knowledge. Uh, I'm really thankful for what have been done to us, of course. Yeah, I have one question. I have met a certain formula concern calculation of value of NG. You told us earlier that the formula was 0.1 times the number of thunderstorms,
Yes, yes.
thunderstorm days, I mean, TD. Yeah, but I have been facing difficulty first of getting the value of thunderstorm days, probably leading it to the map somehow have been very tough to me.
Yes,
But also you,
yes, yes.
now,
I get your point. Basically, you want that the ng value uh, to the process we get the ng value. One is we directly get the ng value from the standards. Like in the South African standard, they clearly mention that ng values for the areas where we are working. But if we don't have the ng value, we will get the thunderstorm uh, mm, values from the isochronic map.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
yes, yes. Basically, uh, I don't use this isochronic map, but when I will tomorrow go to the office, my colleague has already used this isochronic map, and I will uh, discuss this things and will share with you both of you this point.
Okay, thank you. But I made also something. Let me share a certain standard of IAK. I made
Okay,
it. We can discuss together concerning that calculation of values. I think it is so.
you can share
Yeah,
this one. Yes,
you
please.
can see. You can see this one. Eh?
Yes, yes, yes. This isochronic. Yes.
Yeah, I made also this formula. It is it looks like an alternative. It
Yeah,
depends. It is the
yes,
yeah.
Mr. Marco, I already explained
Ah,
that basically this standard, which 62305-2 210,
okay.
now it will be somehow changed in like 2023 or 2024. Some changes are done in this risk assessment formulas, and some changes like done because you know that you are in the field, and
Mhm.
most probably when we are going through the IC standard, and when some new version came out, there might be chances that some I have seen like one day or 2 day ago, I have seen this uh, new standard version, and I'm discussing this point with my colleague Mr. Wakas. Basically, he's more experienced than me, and I'm
Okay.
discussing with them about that. Uh, when I will explore this new version of the formula and new version of this IC standard, I will share knowledge to both of you. No issue.
Okay,
Because
yeah. But it is
you
not.
know,
It
yes,
it
yes,
looks like it is an alternative. It is stated when you are using a satellite.
yes, yes,
This value depend.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Basically, the thunderstorm we get from the satellite data, no? Like this stuff, the
Yeah.
ice chronic mapping. These are the like the satellite type data, like NASA, like this
Okay.
type.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So yes, because we don't have any the earth or the field uh, equipment to measure the thunderstorm per years. It will be calculated through like the NASA through the cloud. Uh, like this type of you know that the NASA will give us the clouds, the raining predictions. So these are the sites which our department will give us the information regarding these thunderstorms also.
Okay.
Yes, Miss Petrus, you have any question? I have shared the notes in the groups. You can see that. Sorry, I can't share these notes in the group yesterday because due to the some busy in uh, homeworks, I can't share, and I can't share the recording of the previous lectures which is on uploading phase, and hopefully after that lecture I will share in the group. Okay, Mr. Marco, I think we will continue our class, and hopefully we will be in get in the contact, remain in contact. Sorry, Mr. Marco, I want to forget to you. Your issue has been solved of the PV system.
Yeah, of course, on the weekend, I was somehow busy, so
Okay, okay,
I
okay,
am expecting to do it on tomorrow.
okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay. Kindly share with
yeah.
me the update. Mm. Okay, Mr. Marco, Miss Patricia, thank you very much for joining me again and testing me. Kindly share your full name with me on my WhatsApp number. So I will share the certificate to you, to both of you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, that's in
Thank you.
order.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
after seeing the notes, I will go through them.
Okay, Miss Patricia, if you have any query, you are also an experienced person, and hopefully you have some knowledge about that solar field. And I will be appreciated to you if you share the knowledge with me, with Mr. Marco, for our betterment.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Marco, Miss Patricia. We will hopefully we will connect, remain connected in the future for other options. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.